What is up guys, JPR Tech here, and today we're going to be declicking another lens for you. This is the Vivitar 28mm f2.5. Just like the Pentax video we declicked earlier, this does have a little ball inside and we're going to have to dig in to get to it. But fortunately this m42 lens is really easy to get to. All we got to do is look at the bottom of the lens. There are going to be tiny little screws, and actually a total of 3. And removing them, we could get easily inside to remove that bearing. Now, as a footnote, be careful, these things are tiny and it's really easy to forget which side is which, so just careful when removing them and putting them back together. Now, after removing all the 3 screws, wiggle out the bottom part of the lens carefully, and that should reveal the little ball that makes the clicking noise. So with a little wiggle, should be enough to remove it. And just like the Pentax, there's a little ball that's inside that rattles around at the ridges of the bottom of the lens. Now all you gotta do is to assemble, put everything back together, wiggle it in, put the screws carefully in, and I found that using my thumb to rest the screw made it easier to screw everything back together. But before I finish screwing everything, I make sure that everything is working and everything looks good. So again, with the thumb, rest the screw on top, and makes it really easy to screw back in. And that is it. We got it. Now we have an official 28mm f2.5 Cine lens. Now, as mentioned before, really declicking lenses is a real great way to add some style and some life to these old vintage lenses that you might have laying around. Now, I got a few other lenses which I'm actually not going to touch because that Takumar 100mm f4 macro lens is too sweet of a photography lens, so I'm actually not going to risk it. Leave that out there. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to declick an m42 Vivitar 28mm lens. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to shoot some more with this lens. And if you like this video, hit a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.